In this video, I will show you how to solve this kind of error. When you open application or games in Android phone, it will show pop-up which said that a illegal program has been detected. This kind of error has been emerged in many apps or games in Android smartphone. Especially games from Nexon Company, such as FC Mobile and the first Descendant companion. For example, I get this error when playing FC Mobile Korean version from Nexon Company. I cannot open the app, log into the app, and proceed to homepage. But don't worry, we can fix this error easily. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Before we jump right through the solution, let's learn about the reason. Why did this error show? This pop-up said that illegal program has been detected. This pop-up is very common in Android phone, especially application or games from Nexon Company, such as FC Mobile and the first Descendant companion. This pop-up shows because of the anti-cheat software underneath the apps or the games itself. So, to fix this error, make sure you have deactivate the source. First, the most common issue to trigger this error is that you have cloning app. All the clone apps, such as Parallel Space, Dual Space, Super Clone, App Cloner, and so on, can trigger this error. Automation apps also can trigger this error as well, such as AutoClicker, Macro Recorder, Game Guardian, Lucky Patcher, and so on. If you install those apps, and do not want to delete those apps, you can force stop those apps from background process. Okay, go to Settings, Manage App. Search Clone App or Automation App. For example, I installed Parallel Space here, so I need to deactivate this app from background process. Okay, let's deactivate. After that, try to open your apps or games again, which previously get the error. See, now the error has gone. We successfully fixed this issue. But, if you still get this error, just try to delete the clone app or automation app, which we have talked about before. Okay, for example, in my case, Parallel Space is the problem. Now, just delete this app. Select Uninstall. After the app has been uninstalled, just try to open our app again. Now, the error has gone. It is because there is no more app process from the app. If you still get this error even though you have uninstalled the problem app, you can try to remove the cache of the app. Okay, let's try this. Go to Settings. Go to Application. Search the applications or games. Select Storage. Here, choose Delete Cache or Remove Cache. After that, restart your Android phone. All the cache and junk files will be removed, and your apps or games will be refreshed. In this case, you should see that the error has gone. If you still get illegal program has been detected error, the last option is just reinstall your apps or games. Okay, let's try this. Uninstall this apps or games. Then, just re-download those apps or games. When you uninstall the app, all the data of the app will be removed and deleted completely. Search the apps or games which you want to install again. Then, open it. Let's see if the error still appears. Congratulations, you no longer see the error again.